Everyone, this is Adam Homan coming in with Interactive Advanced Concept Week 3, the vinegar and baking soda experiment. So basically, we're going to combine vinegar and baking soda, creates a reaction. Vinegar is approximately 5 to 20% acetic acid, which is CH3COOH, and baking soda, which is sodium bicarbonate. So the reaction itself looks like this below. We have acetic acid or vinegar and the sodium bicarbonate or baking soda. Mixing these two yields these products, and the main one we want to look at for what we're going to see in this experiment is the CO2. So a lot of CO2 given off when these two substances combine. And so basically we're going to combine the vinegar and baking soda in one container, close that container. The result should be enough CO2 accumulates in that container where eventually the explosion or the cap or something pops off because of so much CO2 created in that reaction. So what I use, just your basic baking soda, white vinegar that I got from Walmart, and actually used the same container that the vinegar came in. So I poured out some and then was adding the baking soda to that container. So uploaded my video of what it looked like for me. Didn't do this outside, so I chose to do it in my spare bathroom. Try to contain the explosion. So here's our vinegar in this container. Right here, what you saw was me putting a baking soda wrapped in a paper towel into that container, shaking it up. I don't know if you can hear on the video, but I could actually hear the reaction taking place. A lot of stuff going on inside that container. It starts to swell. The bottom actually popped out. Cap did not come off yet, so I will eventually go back in and shake it up a little bit more. So right there, not a huge explosion like the example video we saw that was posted, but there was enough CO2 buildup inside this closed container where the lid popped off and the CO2 was able to escape. So in conclusion, the reaction between sodium bicarbonate, the baking soda, and the acetic acid, which was the vinegar, produced enough CO2 in that closed container to blow the cap off and allow the CO2 to escape. And so that was my experiment, and thank you.